to one Purity Macharia. She's the recipient of this Lifetime Achievement Awards.
Igongona-inĩ rĩa All Africa Media Leaders Summit rĩa mwaka wa 2024, Vice Chair wa kambuni ya Royal Media Services Gathoni Macharia ni atugĩtwo ngerenwa gatagatĩ-inĩ ka atongoria ngeta President wa nahau kabere wa bũrũri wa Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kambuni ya Radio Africa Patrick Wako. Gathoni Macharia atugĩtwo ngerenwa ya Lifetime Achievement Award nĩ kũbacĩrĩra na gũthondeka rĩera rĩega rĩa ũruti wĩra wa ũmemerekia ceceni-inĩ iria ciĩtĩkĩrĩkĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ cia TV na radio.
The Vice Chairperson of the Royal Media Services, Renee Macau, will be able to receive the award on her behalf. The Royal Media Services is a leading media house in Kenya today. It commands some of the highest numbers in audiences in television, radio.
To say thank you very much for honoring our esteemed Madam Vice Chair, Purity Gathoni Macharia, who together with our chairman, Dr. S.K. Macharia, are the founders behind the formidable industry force that has become known as Royal Media Services Limited. Citizen TV, Radio Citizen, Citizen Digital, these are some brands under our very big umbrella of 14 radio stations, 3 TV stations, and very vibrant online platforms.
Ngerenwa ino yũkĩte na ũritũ wa gũthukĩra kambuni ya Royal Media Services wĩyathi wa ũmemerekia wa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ, oro hamwe na wĩra wake gwĩtĩkĩrĩka nginyagia thĩ cia nja.
To be recognized by esteemed peers and colleagues is an honor that resonates not just through my career, but through the very core of my personal ethos. Royal Media Services has been more than just a workplace for me. It has been a garden where my passion for media and communication has been nurtured.
Ayaka Sunaya, please come to stay.
Ngĩribotera Inoro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Waithĩra wa Nduati.